Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix high memory or RAM usage on your Windows. Now if you encounter this kind of error, this will also slow down the performance of your Windows. So we need to fix that in order to boost and speed up the performance of your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. It's task mgr. Task manager will appear under the best match. Click on that. Now maximize it. So here you need to rank it through this CPU usage. Now from here, we need to also for the memory usage. So we need to look for the background applications that are running in the background, which we are not using and is consuming a high memory and CPU usage. So what we can do, so here I have Google Chrome and I am not using this. So you just need to simply close this by making a right click and then select End Task. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary applications running in the background, which is consuming a high CPU and memory usage on your Windows. I also have here the Malwarebytes and I'm not using this. Select End Task, Any Disk. Now once done, close this window. Then we have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type optimize. This one, defragment and optimize drives. Now look, choose your Windows C drive and click on optimize and wait for some time. Now it's done. Simply close this. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now here we need to simply scroll down to the S section and look for the sysmain service. Now once you find sysmain, make a right click and you have to select properties. Startup type, that should be disabled. Click on apply, click on OK, and then close this. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. Now here, click on the advanced tab, click on settings and then performance and then settings. And here you'll find adjust for best performance, but we are going to make some changes in here, like show thumbnails instead of icons and small edges of screen fonts. Click on apply and click on OK and then click on OK again. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type choose a power plan. Click on it under the best match. Make sure that you have chosen the high performance as the selected plan and then close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on system configuration under the best match. Click on the boot tab. Like on the services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Now click on apply and then click on the start app. Click on open task manager. Now, change the status from enabled to disabled so that you'll know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the program that should not start automatically whenever you sign in into your Windows. Simply make a right click and then select disable. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows and then close this. Click on OK and then you have to click on the restart button. And after applying all of that steps, then you will notice a great change in your Windows performance. The high memory and RAM usage will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.